Well, guys, we just got put under a tornado watch or warning, whatever it is. It looks like it's calming down, but I wouldn't be for sure. I don't want my phone to get too wet because we all know what happens then. But it's lightly coming down right now. Well, it's more than a little bit lightly coming down. But anyways, yeah. Tornado. I don't see one though. That was a nice lightning strike. Let's see if we can catch some more. I really don't want to bore you, so that was a nice strike. I was on the phone with a buddy of mine, and one came right down, like almost hit over on the other side of the community. That's what it looked like anyway. Yeehaw. Nice. No. No. That was cool. But yeah, tornado weather. I don't see tornado weather, but who knows? It could turn into a tornado any minute, you know. It's slowing down on rain, so that was a nice strike. But I'm gonna let y'all go for now, and if there really is a tornado and I can catch it on film, I will for you.